Have you ever seen someone with that clear, glowing, glass-like skin and thought, how on earth do they have skin like that? Because same. For the longest time, I tried everything. 10-step skincare, expensive serums, influencer-recommended products, but my skin stayed the same, dull, textured, and just meh. I used to believe that clear skin was just pure luck, like some people are just born with it. But after endless trial and error, hacks, and skincare routines, I finally cracked the code to clear skin that actually lasts. Welcome to the final episode of the Pretty Girl Era Transformation Series. Today, I'm sharing realistic tips that actually work, the ones that turned my skin from this to this. But first, let's quickly decode what's not working so you can stop torturing your skin without even realizing it. First up, stop touching your face. I kept wondering why I had tiny bumps and acne, and then it hit me, I was constantly touching my face. With the same hands that touched escalator rails, door handles, literally everything. And don't even get me started on your phone. It's 10 times dirtier than a toilet seat. Every time you let your phone touch your face, you're basically making your skin fight for its life. The day I started wiping my phone screen daily, my skin literally thanked me. Alright, now let's actually get into the skincare routine. Grab your favorite face wash and... wait. Just kidding. The real first step is understanding your skin type. Because you can copy an influencer's entire routine, but if your skin is completely different from theirs, you're just wasting time and money. Here's a super quick way to find your skin type. Wash your face with plain water. Let it air dry, no towel. If your face turns shiny, especially around your T-zone, you have oily skin. If your skin feels tight or flaky, you have dry skin. If your T-zone gets oily, but your cheeks feel dry, you're combination skin. And if your skin gets red or irritated easily, you're likely sensitive skin. Now that you know your skin type, choosing the right face wash becomes way easier. Oily skin foaming or gel cleansers. Look for salicylic acid, niacinamide, tea tree, or green tea. Avoid creamy cleansers. They leave residue. Dry skin creamy or hydrating cleansers. Look for hyaluronic acid, ceramides, glycerin, aloe vera, oat extract. Avoid foaming cleansers. They strip too much oil. Combination skin gentle foaming cleansers. Look for niacinamide, aloe vera, green tea, panthenol. Avoid anything too drying or too creamy. Sensitive skin fragrance-free, sulfate-free cleansers. Look for aloe vera, oat extract, ceramides, Centella asiatica. Avoid strong exfoliating cleansers. Bonus tip: when picking any face wash, make sure it's pH balanced, 5.5 to 6, and free from harsh sulfates and strong fragrance. Okay, now that you understand your skin type, let's decode the next essential step, moisturizer. Yes, even if you have oily skin, you still need it. Skipping moisturizer can actually make your skin produce even more oil, so let's do it the right way. Here's how to pick a moisturizer that actually works for your skin type. Dry skin. Go for thick, cream-based moisturizers. Look for shea butter, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, squalane. Avoid gel-based moisturizers. They evaporate too fast and won't hydrate deeply. Oily skin. Go for lightweight gel or water-based moisturizers. Look for niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, green tea, aloe vera. Avoid heavy creams or oils that can clog your pores. Combination skin. Choose light gel cream moisturizers. Look for hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, panthenol. Avoid formulas that are too heavy or too light. Balance is key here. Sensitive skin. Pick fragrance-free, gentle creams or lotions. Look for aloe vera, oat extract, Centella asiatica, ceramides. Avoid strong fragrances, essential oils, or moisturizers packed with actives. Tips to pick the best moisturizer. Always choose non-comedogenic, won't clog pores. Pick according to your climate. Heavier in winters, lighter in summers. And now, the most important step of all, sunscreen. Listen, you can neglect your crush, but never neglect your sunscreen. Yes, even if you're just sitting at home. UV rays can still damage your skin through windows. For Indian skin tones, Always pick a PA+++ or higher sunscreen. The more pluses, the better. And your SPF should be at least 30, but honestly, SPF 50 is a safe bet. How to apply it correctly? Use the two-finger rule. Squeeze out sunscreen on your index and middle finger, and that's the perfect amount for your face and neck. Biggest mistake people make? Applying sunscreen right before stepping out. Sunscreen needs time to actually work, so apply it at least 30 minutes before going out. And don't forget to reapply every 2 to 3 hours if you're outside. And now, the fun part. These are the DIYs, tips, and tricks I personally followed, and trust me, they worked like magic on my skin. Raw milk double cleanser. Not the fancy double cleansing you see online. I used raw milk as my nighttime double cleanser. Take a cotton pad, dip it in raw milk, gently wipe your face, then rinse with water. And honestly, it made my skin super soft and glowing. Green tea plus aloe vera mix. Bestie, this one is my holy grail. I mix green tea from tea bags with aloe vera gel, apply a thin layer at night, and wash it off in the morning. Why it works? Reduces puffiness and calms skin. Antioxidants fight early aging. Deep hydration without heaviness. Repairs skin barrier and brightens tone. Helps with acne and bumps. Gives that overnight natural glow. Pro tip, patch test first. And don't apply a thick wet layer overnight. Let it absorb like a sleeping mask. Cold face dunk. Saw it everywhere on Instagram, so I tried it for a week, and OMG, game changer. It tightens pores, boosts blood circulation, reduces puffiness, and gives that instant awake glow. If it feels too much, try face icing instead. Just wrap ice cubes in a soft cloth. It reduces puffiness, soothes acne, and even helps your skincare absorb better. Eating my skincare. 2025 and still think skincare alone gives clear skin? The moment I cut out sugar, junk, and fried food, my skin texture improved drastically. Every morning, I drink chia seed water on an empty stomach, include green tea and curd in my diet, and my skin's literally like, "You girl keep me so young, I love you so much." Exercise. I started 30 minutes of daily exercise, and yes, it shows on my skin too. Research even links exercise to anti-aging. Glowing skin is just a bonus. Rice in skincare. I also tried DIY rice water toner and rice mask. Works like magic. But please, don't store rice toner for too long. Keep it max 1 week, then make fresh. And always clean your toner bottle before refilling. The real key? Following a consistent skincare routine plus these tips daily. After sticking to this, people literally started asking me, "Girl, how's your skin getting better and better?" And I was just like, what? Like it's hard. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share it with your pretty girl squad, and subscribe for more glow up tips. Stay tuned, queens. Your pretty girl era is just beginning.